Hi everyone, my name is Eleonora and I'm an Italian watercolorist. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you know that I love painting water. I love to paint river, waves, the sea, crashing waves, water reflections, sparkling water. This is why I decided to share a little bit of my experience with you and I decided to film this class. So this is the final project that we are going to paint together. And it's something a little busy, but with a lot of tips and techniques. And I'm sure you will greatly benefit from these lessons because you will get a lot of information that you can use for your further paintings. And we will learn not only how to paint reflections and in particular how to paint sparkling water, but we are going to paint also a lot of different shades of green. Green can be a little bit difficult to manage when you're painting, but after this tutorial I'm sure you will be able to paint and to mix all the possible shades of green ever. And you will learn also how to paint rocks, how to paint masses of trees, because in this project we haven't got the sky as we usually have in a normal landscape, so it's a little bit unconventional, but it's packed with a lot of information and I hope you will enjoy painting that with me. So if you're ready to go, grab your brushes, your colors, your paper, and let's dive into this.